Huh. I guess that's the volume that our neighbors wanted to watch Toy Story at this afternoon.
I guess, yeah.
It's weird because I went to check the mail like an hour ago and I heard through the window they were having a screaming argument, and now they're just watching Toy Story. Like nothing. What is this? Are you sniffing me?
Oh, no. I'm like in between sneezing and not sneezing, and I really don't want to be doing this anymore. So I'm kind of like, like trying to force it.
Oh. So you wish that you would sneeze?
Normally I would just blow my nose, but I'm trying to be...
Did that work? Did you sneeze?
No. You just scared the shit out of me, man.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. I was just trying to help you sneeze faster.
That's not how you make people sneeze. That's hiccups.
Oh. Okay, my bad, man. Maybe you'll sneeze if you drink this cup of water.
No, because sneezing's in my nose. That's for hiccups, don't it?
Jim, what the fuck?
No good?
No, seriously, fuck you. Get the fuck out of here.
What?
I know, I'm serious. Get the fuck out of here. Go away.
Damn it, man. I just wanted to help. You know what? Fuck it. Alex, are you okay? Nice.